Hi, my name is Dr. Christopher Mallow. I'm a researcher here at Johns Hopkins Hospital. I'm here to talk to you about a research study.
Hi, Dr. Mello. I'm wondering who can be in this study.
So this study is for patients with stage 1 lung cancer or patients without stage 1 lung cancer that are otherwise similar to patients with stage 1 lung cancer, as well as housemates of patients with stage 1 lung cancer. Would you like to hear more?
Sure.
Great. So our goal is to study volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, and these are tiny particles that are found in the breath of patients with stage 1 lung cancer.
Okay, so you're collecting breath samples to study volatile organic compounds?
Right. We will collect breath samples from you. In doing so, we'll have you breathe into a balloon, and it'll take approximately 5 minutes.
How long does the study last?
If you join this study, you're in the study for approximately 30 minutes, but we will review your medical records for up to 5 years.
Do I need to be part of this study?
It is up to you whether you want to join this study or not. You do not need to join this study. If you choose not to join the study, your care at Johns Hopkins will not be affected in any way. You can choose to stop being in the study at any point. You can also change your mind and decide to stop at a later point. You just have to tell us as soon as possible.
Okay, so you're saying it's up to me to decide whether or not I want to continue in this study.
Correct. It's completely up to you.
I see. So could you tell me more about the study?
Sure. First, let me clarify that there's no health benefit for you to join this study. But what we do is, if you do choose to join, we'll have you blow into a balloon. This balloon has a one-way valve in it. So after you blow into the balloon will hold your breath for whatever amount of time we need it to hold your breath until we can send it to the lab to be analyzed.
Okay, is that it?
That's all we'll need you to do if you join. If you do join, then we'll ask your permission to review your medical record for up to 5 years. This will allow us to compare your breath analysis to others over a longer time period.
I understand.
Let me give you a little more information. So for patients with stage 1 lung cancer or their housemates, we're going to collect the breath samples at their home. While for patients that are matched to the patients with stage 1 lung cancer that are otherwise healthy, we're going to collect their breath samples in a clinic visit. These patients will be matched by age, sex, tobacco use, and occupational exposures. After taking all of these breath samples and analyzing them, we'll compare the differences in VOCs between the 3 different groups.
Okay, so there's 3 different groups that you'll be studying.
Right, and the main thing to do will be to breathe into the balloon to collect the breath sample, and this will be done either in clinic or at your home.
I see. Is there anything else I should know?
Yes, you may be taken out of the study if you have cancer and are found to be cancer-free, or if you're the housemate of a participant with cancer that becomes cancer-free.
Okay, do I get paid for being in this study?
Yes, you'll receive a $50 Visa gift card for participating in this study. You may have to provide your Social Security number in order to get paid. And like all other income, you'll have to report this to the IRS.
Okay, is there anything else I need to know about the study? Like, are there any risks?
The only possible discomfort is the discomfort from blowing into the bag to collect your breath sample. This is no different than blowing into a regular balloon. There are no medical risks in doing this. The breath samples collected will be stored with an ID number, and all personal information that could identify you will be stored in a separate location.
Okay, thanks. I think I get that.
Also, when people join our studies, we ask their permission in order to contact them for potential future studies. We will also ask if it's okay for us to keep your blood and urine samples for use in future research studies.
Okay.
I think that's about it for this study, but maybe we should summarize to make sure that it's clear.
Okay, it sounds like the main things I have to do if I join the study are to give you a breath sample by breathing into a bag and allow you to review my medical record for up to 5 years.
Exactly right. For our part, we'll provide you with a $50 Visa gift card, as well as keep your personal information confidential and secure. And in the end, we hope to find out more information about volatile organic compounds in patients with stage 1 lung cancer.
Okay, I think I get all of that.
Great. Do you have any other questions?
No, not right now, but if I do, who should I contact?
If you have any questions about the study, you can contact me or anyone on my research team at 410-502-2533. If you're unable to reach me and you have any questions or concerns, you can contact the IRB office at 410-955-3008. And all of these phone numbers are provided on the consent form that you will take home today.
Okay, thanks.
Well, thanks for taking the time to talk to me today.
Thank you very much.